Good morning dear students, welcome all of you to the chemistry online classes. So in our last class we have discussed about the importance of the organic chemistry and how it is originated and which are the theories which we were discussed in the last class. In today's class we are going to discuss one more important bit of the topic, okay, that is regarding the shapes of the carbon compounds. So as you know, carbon compounds will going to play a huge role in our day to day life, okay. So it is necessary to know the shape and how its structure, how its geometry is there, that we need to know, that only we are going to learn in our today's class, okay. And the shape of the molecule or the shape of the carbon compound depends upon the hybridization. So the shape depends upon the hybridization. So one question arises, so what is hybridization? See here, hybridization is the process of intermixing of the orbitals. So ಏನು hybridization ಅಂದರೆ orbitals, sp orbital ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತೈತಿ, sp df, ಓಕೆ. ಆ ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುವಂಥ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ರೀ, ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಜೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಬಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಕಲಿತೀರಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ನಾ ಏನು ಹೇಳಕತ್ತೀನಿ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್, ದೆನ್ ಯು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದೋಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಬಾಂಡಿಂಗ್, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಶೇಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ದಿ ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಜೇಷನ್. ಹಾಗಂದ್ರೆ ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಜೇಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ? ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ದ ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಜೇಷನ್ ಆಕರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ 3 ವೇ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ sp hybridization, see here, sp hybridization means one of the s orbital and one of the p orbital intermix with each other to produce the hybrid orbitals. So ಒಂದು s orbital ಒಂದು p orbital ಎರಡೂ ಇಂಟರ್ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಕಲ್ ಒಂದೇ ಥರ ಇರುವಂಥ ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡ್ ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾವ್ರಿ, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ sp ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಜೇಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೀಸ್ 50% ಆಫ್ s ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 50% ಆಫ್ p ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ, 50% ಆಫ್ s ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 50% ಆಫ್ ದಿ p ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ there, and the sp hybridized molecules shape is linear ಇರ್ತಾವು. and then here the bond angle will be 120 degree, 180 degree ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್. ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಈ ಥರ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಶೇಪ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಡು ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ನಾ ಏನು ಹೇಳತ್ತೀನಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಕೀಪ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ the shape of the molecule depends upon the hybridization. In the hybridization, first one is sp hybridization. It involves both s and p orbital. In such a type of the hybridization, 50% of the s character will be there and then 50% of the p character will be there. Clear? And the shape of sp hybridized molecule is linear shape and its bond angle is 180 degree. Clear? So next, one more type of the hybridization is sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization. So here sp2 hybridization means one of the s orbital, two of the p orbital. sp2 I am telling, one of the s orbital and two of the p orbital undergo hybridization and they are going to give hybrid orbital. So here it consisting of the 33.33% of s character and then 66.66% of the p character. Okay, and here sp2 hybridized orbitals having the shape that is a trigonal planar. Okay, and here the bond angle will be 120 degree and the bond angle will be 120 degree. And the third one is sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. So here what happens, one of the s orbital, three of the p orbital undergo hybridization to produce sp3 hybrid orbitals. Okay, and here it consisting of the 25% of the s character and then 75% of the p character will be there, and here the shape of the molecule is tetrahedral and the bond angle is 109 degree 28 minute. I hope so you are getting. So the shape of the molecule particularly depends upon the hybridization. So hybridization andre enri, ee orbitals irtalla s p orbitals irtalla, these s and p orbitals intermix. ಅವು ಇಂಟರ್ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೊಸದೊಂದು ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡ್ ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾವು. ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಅಂಗಿ ಇನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಲೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು, ದ ಶೇಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಎದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಪ್ಪ, ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಆ ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಸೇಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವು, ಎಸ್ ಪಿ ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಸೇಷನ್, sp2 ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಸೇಷನ್, sp3 ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಸೇಷನ್. ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಎಸ್ ಪಿ ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಸೇಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪಿ ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವು. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ 50% ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಎಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, 50% ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪಿ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದ್ರ ಶೇಪ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ ರೀ, ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಹಾಗೆ sp2 hybridization, it carries, sp2 means one of the s orbital, two of the p orbital undergo hybridization, and it carries 33.33% of the s character and 66.66% of the p character. And here the shape of the molecule will be trigonal planar and its bond angle is 120 degree. And last one more hybridization is, that is sp3 hybridization. Here one of the s orbital, three of the p orbital undergo hybridization, and it consisting of the 25% of the s character and 75% of the p character, and its shape will be tetrahedral and bond angle will be 109 degree 28 minute. Clear? So this is how we can explain. And one more point I want to tell you here only, sp hybridization is there means usually you are going to look at the three bonds. You are going to look at the three bonds. sp2 is there means you are going to look at the double bond. It is a triple bond. Triple bond is there means which type of the hybridization it is, sp hybridization. If for example carbon to carbon triple bond ಐತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ sp hybridization ಆಗೈತೆ ಅನ್ನಂಗ ಅರ್ಥ. Okay, and if there is a presence of the double bond, it is sp2 hybridized. If there is a presence of the single bond is there means that is sp3 hybridized. So keep in mind that single bond is there means sp3, double bond means sp2, triple bond means sp. Okay, you need to remember, you need to note down this point, because whatever the example now I am going to solve here, that is based on this. ಸೊ ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇದ್ದಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತ್ರಿ, sp3 ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ sp2 ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ sp ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಹಿಂಗರಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಬಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನು, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಕೀಪ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಲೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಇದೇನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಫೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ sp3, ಡಬಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ sp2, ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ sp. Okay, and one more point I want to tell you here only, that is in case of the sp hybridization, nodri percentage of the s is 50%. So more the s character, that orbital is nearer to the nucleus, and as the percentage of s is more, it acts as a more electronegativity property will be shown by more. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಅದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಎಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೋರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಎಸ್ ಪಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಮೋರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ. So what is the meaning of electronegativity? Electronegativity is nothing but the capacity to drag the shared pair of electron. For example, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, HCl ತಗೋಣ. Cl ಏನೈತ್ರಿ? More electronegative atom. It means it can able to drag this bond towards itself. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಬಾಂಡನ್ನು ತನ್ನ ಕಡೆ ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ರೀ? ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಎಸ್ ಪಿ ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಸ್ಡ್ molecules are more electronegative as compared to sp2 and sp3. So what is the reason behind it? Because in case of sp hybridization, the more percent of the s character will be there, that is 50% of the s character will be there. See here it is 33, here it is 25, it is goes on reducing, but where the percentage of s is more, that is more electronegative. That is only what we are going to write sp. I am writing the order of the electronegativity. sp is more electronegative as compared to sp2, as compared to sp3, as compared to sp3. Keep in mind. So what is the reason? That is depends upon the more character of the s. If the percentage of the s is more, that is more electronegative. Okay, so this is how we can explain about the shapes and hybridization, and which type of the hybridization is there, and what is if it is sp3 means there is a single bond, if it is sp2 means a double bond, if there is a presence of triple bond means that will be a sp. I hope so you are getting. So one more point na ille ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ ರೀ. ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೂ ಎರಡು ಟೈಪ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. Bonds are categorized. Here I am going to write. Bonds ಒಳಗ್ರಿ sigma bond and pi bond ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So sigma bond is always strong, pi bond is weak. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಬಾಂಡ್. ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರ ಏನ್ರಿ? ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಬಾಂಡ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರ ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಒಂದು ಬಾಂಡ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ? ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಾಂಡ ಪೈ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್? ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೀನಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾ ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಬಾಂಡ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ? ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ಇನ್ನೆರಡು ಬಾಂಡ ಪೈ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್? Single bond ittandra, that is sigma. If there is a presence of single bond, that is sigma. And then which type of the hybridization it will be? sp3. So nodri, single ittandra sp3 hybridization. Hange if there is a presence of double bond iddu andra adrag ಒಂದು sigma ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ಒಂದು pi ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಯಾವ hybridization ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ? sp2 hybridization ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರ ಒಂದು ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ಎರಡು ಪೈ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ? sp ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ this is how we can explain about the shape, hybridization and which type of the bond. I hope so it is clear. So on the basis of whatever the concept I have explained, I have given here few of the example. ಸೊ ನಾ ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳೀನಿ ಅದ್ರ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್. ಸೊ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ದ ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಸೇಷನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ let me explain you by taking the first example. So what is the example? CH3 Cl is there. Yes or no? CH3 Cl is there. So ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರಿಬೋದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ you know that carbon can able to form the 4 bonds. carbon can able to form the 4 bonds. So how many atoms are attached to the carbon? Totally 4. In that 3 H, okay, and 1 is Cl. So all are single bond. Then which type of the hybridization it will be? It will be a single bond is there, means which type of the hybridization? It is sp3 hybridization. It is sp3 hybridization. Are you getting? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಬರ್ದೀನಿ ಅದರದ್ದು. They have given CH3Cl. Here I have written the exact structure of that molecule. So when I draw like this, then only I can able to understand whether it consisting of the single bond or double bond. Okay, idu artha aitu ankotini. So let us go for the second one. Here, just look at the molecule. There are 2 carbons are there. 2 carbons are there. So each carbon can able to form the 4 bond. First, look at CH3 is there. This C is there. 1, 2, 3. CH3 it is over. CH3 over. Now Cn I want to write. But like this if I wrote means that will be wrong because nitrogen. So see here there is a bond formation will be like this. Bond formation will be like this. So bond form ಹೆಂಗಾಗಿರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ ಟ್ರೈವ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಹೊಂದಿರ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇಲ್ಲೂ 4 ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅದು, ಇಲ್ಲೂ 4 ಬಾಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೇಷನ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ sp3. And what about this carbon? It carries the triple bond. So triple bond means it will be having a sp hybridization. So this carbon is having sp3 while this carbon is having the sp hybridization. I hope so you are getting what I am telling. Next, let us go for the third one. This one, see, carbon is there. First let me write carbon. So hydrogen is there, this hydrogen, and oxygen is a bivalent or you can say divalent, andre 2 bond anna form ಮಾಡುವಂತ capacity. So that 2 bonds I am going to represent like this, and next NH2. Okay, so carbon has the 4 bonds again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now just look at this carbon, it is having the double bond. So double bond is there means which type of the hybridization? It is having the sp2 hybridization. So we have to identify only the hybridization of the carbon. So only 1 carbon is there, it is also consisting of the double bond, so it will be a sp2 hybridization. Okay, so let us go for the third one. Here let us go, sorry, fourth one. Let me draw the structure first. Yes or no? Carbon is there. For this carbon oxygen is attached, and along with that what is attached? 2 CH3 groups are attached. So now if I draw little more, inna ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಅಂಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Correct? CH3 is there and CO is there, one more CH3. These 2 CH3 means CH3 twice, and what else remain? CO. Correct? Na bardi structure correct aitri. So ಇವag nodri e carbon, just look at this carbon and this carbon, both are having the single bond. Single bond means these 2 are sp3 hybridized, these 2 are sp3 hybridized. So next carbon nodri, ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಗೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಐತೆ. ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಸೇಷನ್? ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅ sp2 ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಸೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ 2 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಯಾವ ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಸೇಷನ್ ರೀ? sp3, and this carbon is having the sp2 hybridization will be there. Clear? Next Let us go for one more. Here, first I will draw the structure neatly. And one carbon is there, double bond. It will be a triple bond. So, for each carbon we have to mention the hybridization. This carbon having all single bonds are there. So, what is the hybridization? sp3. And just look at this carbon, it is having the double bond. Single is also there, but priority we should give for the double bond. Double bond is there means it is sp2, and this carbon also two single bonds, one double bond, it is also sp2 hybridized. And what about this carbon? Triple bond is there, it will be a sp. It will be a sp. So, here you can write like this. This is having sp3, sp2, sp2, sp, each carbon. I hope so you are getting. Clear? So, single bond is there means you should mention the type of the hybridization as sp3, double is there means you should mention the sp2, triple is there means you should mention sp hybridization. Next, similarly, here identify hybridization. Till now whatever we did the same thing, and shapes of the and also shapes of the molecule. So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ hybridization mention ಮಾಡಿ shapes ಅನ್ನ mention ಮಾಡಂತ question ಐತಿ. So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ CH2 double bond O, it means carbon is having the double bond. So, double bond is there means which type of the hybridization? sp2 hybridization. If sp2 hybridization is there means which type, which shape will be there? Triagonal planar. If it is sp2 hybridized, it is having the triagonal planar shape. Next, CH3F. Here, carbon is the open chain structure I will draw here, CH3F. So, all are single bonds. Single bond means which type of the hybridization? sp3 hybridization. If sp3 hybridization is there means its shape will be tetrahedral. Tetrahedral. So, next CH triple bond N. Triple bond is there means which type of the hybridization? It is sp hybridization. If it is a sp hybridization, what will be its shape? It will be having a linear shape. Clear? Na ಹೇಳತ್ತಿರೋದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗತೈತಿ. Simple concept. Hybridization, shape depends upon the hybridization. Hybridization is having the three types, sp, sp2, sp3. Okay. Sp hybridization is there means its shape will be linear. If there is a presence of the triple bond, that will be a sp hybridization. Okay. In case of sp2, the shape of the molecule will be triagonal planar. So, if it is sp2 hybridized, if there is a presence of the double bond means you should consider it as a sp2 hybridization, and you should write its shape as a triagonal planar. Okay. And one more hybridization is sp3. If single bond is there means that is sp3 hybridized, and you should write its shape as a tetrahedral. Clear? So, on the basis of that only we have solved all this one. So, first we just look at the bonds, the carbon which is carrying which type of the bond, whether it is carries the single bond or double bond or triple bond. So, on the basis of that we are going to mention its hybridization, and on the basis of the hybridization we are mentioning its shape. Clear? So, one more thing. First, bonds, it may be sigma or pi bond. If single bond is there means that will be a sigma bond. If two bonds are there, that is double bond is there, double bond. If double bond is there, one will be a sigma, one will be a pi. If triple bond is there means one will be a sigma, two will be a pi. Keep in mind. So, let us go for this one. Identify sigma and pi bonds. So, here I have to identify the sigma and pi bonds. So, before identifying, first I will write that format in such a way that ಸೊ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರನ್ನು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ನೀವು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಿಮಗೇನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಯಾವುದು ಪೈ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಒನ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಎ ಬಾಂಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಈಸ್ ದರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ CH triple bond C, again CH double bond CH, am I correct? CH triple bond C, and this is the CH double bond, again CH, and this is the CH3. So now just write down single bond means sigma. Here single bond middle one will be a sigma and this one is pi, this one is pi, and single bond is sigma, this is also a sigma. In double bond one will be a sigma, one will be a pi, and this is sigma, this is sigma, this is sigma, this is sigma, this is sigma. Don't worry, single is there means sigma only. If double is there means one is sigma, one is pi. If triple is there means one will be a sigma, two will be a pi. So let me calculate how many CC sigma CC bonds. It means in between two carbon to carbon ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅದಾವ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂರು ಟೈಪ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಟು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಕೂಡ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಟು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಪೈ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಎದ್ರ ನಡು ಬರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ? C and C, carbon and carbon. So let me clarify this one. So totally how many sigma bonds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Totally 10 sigma bonds are there. Okay. And then how many pi bonds are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 pi bonds are there. Clear? So in this 10 sigma bonds, how many CC sigma bond? Carbon to carbon ನಡು ಇರುವಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅದಾವ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. CC ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಟು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ನಡು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅದಾವ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ CH ನಡು ಐತಿ, ಇದು ಅಲ್ಲ. ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಟು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಐತಿ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಬಾಂಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಟು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಒಂದ್ ಐತಿ, ಎರಡು ಆದೂರಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ 3, ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ 4. ಸೊ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಟು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದು? 4. Am I correct? Next, in carbon to hydrogen ನೋಡ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. Carbon to hydrogen 1, this carbon to hydrogen 2, this one 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 6. Clear? Then carbon to carbon pi bond 1, 2, 3. 3 are there. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥ ಕಂಪೌಂಡನ್ನು ಈ ಥರ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಪೈ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬರೀರಿ. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಟು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅದಾವು, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಟು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವು, ಪೈ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವು. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇವೆರಡು ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಬಾಂಡ, ಬಟ್ ಈ CC ನಡು ಐತಿ, ಇದು CH ನಡು ಐತಿ. 6 + 4 10. 10 ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅದು ರೀ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐತಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್, 2 hydrogens are attached to it, and then double bond carbon, double bond carbon, and this is the hydrogen and this is the CH3. Correct? CH2 group is there, double bond CH, double bond C ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿದ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆಯ್ತಿದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಟ್ಟ ಮುಗೀತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ CH ಐತಿ, and then CH3 is there. So first this is sigma, this is sigma, this is sigma, this is pi. One bond will be sigma, one bond will be pi. Single is there means sigma, 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 sigma. So totally how many sigma bonds will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Totally 9 sigma bonds are there. How many sigma bonds are there? 9 sigma bonds are there. Then what about pi bond? 2 pi bonds are there. So in this 9 sigma bond, how many carbon to carbon and how many carbon to hydrogen sigma bonds are there? Sigma Cc and sigma Ch. So count madri. Carbon to hydrogen nodri. 1, 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6. Sigma Ch ಎಷ್ಟು bonds adavri? 6 bonds adav. Next, Cc in between carbon to carbon here 1, 2, 3. Correct? Total sigma ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗಬೇಕು? 9 ಆಗಬೇಕು. 6 plus 3, 9. Clear? So this is how we are going to tell few important bit of the topic. Many times they are going to give such type of the compounds and they are going to tell you identify the type of the hybridization of the carbon in the following compound. Each ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ದನು hybridization ಅನ್ನ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಈ ತರ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೋ. They are going to mention the hybridization of each carbon in the following compound. ಈ ತರ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಈಚ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ದನು hybridization ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. And sometimes they are going to give such a molecule and mention how many sigma bonds and how many pi bonds are there ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ಕೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯೂಶಲಿ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಥವಾ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. I hope so it is clear for you. So once again I will explain you the shape of the molecule depends upon the hybridization. Hybridization is nothing but intermixing of the orbital. And there are mainly three types of the hybridization: sp, sp2, sp3. In case of sp hybridization, 50% of the s character will be there and then 50% of the p character will be there, and it is having the linear shape and bond angle will be 180 degree. And in case of sp2 hybridization, 33.33% of the s character, 66.66% of the p character. And what is its shape? Trigonal planar, and bond angle will be 120 degree. And last one is sp3 hybridization. Here it consisting of the 25% of the s character and 75% of the p character, and its shape is tetrahedral. Bond angle is 109 degree 28 minute. Okay, and more the percentage of the s, more the s character means that will be a more electronegative. So in all these three, sp is having more s percentage or more s character. So in the electronegativity order will be sp is more electronegative as compared with sp2 as compared with sp3. Clear? And then let us go for the one more thing. sp3 means a single bond. Single bond is there, all single bonds are there, means the hybridization of such type of the carbon will be sp3. If there is a presence of the double bond, the hybridization of that carbon will be sp2. If there is a presence of the triple bond, the hybridization of that carbon will be sp. And single bond is there means sigma, double is there means one will be sigma, one will be pi. Triple is there means one will be a sigma, two will be a pi. So next here they have given certain compounds and they said that to identify the hybridization of the carbon. So hybridization of the carbon means first you draw the open chain structure. So adana neatangi expand ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀರಿ. ಆವಾಗ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ sp3 ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಕೈತಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ sp2, ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ sp. ಸೊ ಆ ಥರ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, here similarly they have asked hybridization along with shape. So as you know, if you know the hybridization, you can identify its shape. sp3 is there means tetrahedral, sp2 is there means trigonal planar, sp is there means linear. So here it is sp2 means trigonal planar, it will be sp3 tetrahedral, it is sp linear. So next, bonds are, that is sigma bond and pi bond existence will be there. Sigma will be stronger, pi will be a weaker. So due to the weakness, it can give its electron for attacking reagent. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ರಿಯಜೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಈ ಥರ ಐತೆ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, okay, it consisting of the sigma bond, it consisting of sigma as well as pi. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದರೆ ಒಂದು ರಿಯಜೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಗೋದು ಭಾಳ ರೇರ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್, ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಟು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಇಟ್. ಅದೇ ಪೈ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಏನಿರ್ತೈತಿ, ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಒಂದು ಪೈ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅ ವೀಕ್, ಸೊ ರಿಯಜೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ಬಾಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಕೀಪ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈಂಡ್, ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಯು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದ molecule and they said you to identify how many sigma bonds are there, how many pi bonds are there. Write the open chain structure, just look at the single or double is there. Single means sigma, you just mark here, and triple are there means one will be a sigma, two will be a pi. Double is there means one will be a sigma, one will be a pi. And first count down how many total sigma bonds are there. In that you can distribute in between carbon to carbon how many sigma are there, in between carbon and hydrogen how many sigma bond are there, and pi will be definitely in between carbon and carbon only. Okay, and like this you should write or you should identify the sigma and pi bonds. I hope so it is clear for you. If you have any doubts you can contact me. Okay, until that keep a note of whatever I have written on the board, and if you are not getting anything you can watch the video once again one more time so you can get the idea clearly, or else you can contact me. Okay, thank you.